Hi friend, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Haq Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Langat Singh College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about heterocyclic chemistry. So there are two type of compound, homocyclic and heterocyclic. So cyclic compounds, one is heterocycle, another is homocycle. So alicyclic or carbocyclic, only carbon is present. So compound contain ring made up only of carbon atom. If your ring or compound ring made up of only carbon, then we call it homocyclic. And in heterocyclic, compound contain ring made up of carbon atoms and another kind of atoms, most commonly nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. So friend, hope this will be helpful to you and try to understand cyclic systems. Two types of cyclic system, one is homocyclic and another one is heterocyclic. Now if you have cyclic compounds, so there are two again classifications. Maybe cyclic system is aromatic or maybe non-aromatic. So for aromatic, I will give you some examples. This is the pyrrole, this is aromatic compound, furan is aromatic compound, and thiophene. All are 5-member heterocyclic compound. Here also a 5-member heterocyclic compound but non-aromatic. These are non-aromatic because there is no aromaticity. So friends, you understand cyclic, non-cyclic and aromatic and non-aromatic. Now you see this cycle is what type of cycle? Hetero or homo? Okay, this is the homocyclic. Good. This is also homocyclic, this is homocyclic. Now, classified as aromatic, a compound must have cyclic structure. For aromaticity, it should have the conditions, cyclic structure. Coplanar structure. What is meaning of coplanar? One plane, no? Coplanar. Each atom of ring must have a p orbital to form a delocalized pi system. You know the p orbital? No atoms in ring can be sp3 hybridized, and that is the very good conditions. Instead, all atoms must be sp2 hybridized. So you see this is the conjugations, but you call it aromaticity? No. Why? Because this is not a cyclic systems. Now you see here 6 pi orbitals and these are delocalized up and down. This is delocalized. One is localized, another one is delocalized. So check this word delocalized concept. Delocalizations. Now fourth, fulfill Haeckel's rule. What is Haeckel's rule? The system must have 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So by calculating n values, this n, it will be an integral number 0, 1, 2, 3. So if it is 0, then 2 pi electron system. If it is 1, then 6 pi electron system. If it is 2, 10 pi electron system, like that. You see examples of aromatic compounds. This is aromatic. Why it is aromatic? Because if this is 6 pi electron system, why it is, if you put n is equal to 1, then 4n plus 2 is become 6 pi electron system. This is also like that. This is also, here n is equal to 0 means 2 pi electron system. This is 6 pi electron system. This is also 6 pi electron system. So all are aromatic compounds. Now, what's a heterocyclic compound means? If a ring system is made up of carbon atoms and at least one other elements, the compound can be classified as heterocyclic. Heteroatoms. All the time you must remember nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, boron, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, tin, arsenic, copper. These elements that are found most commonly together with carbon in a ring system are nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur is most common. So this is the homocyclic. Aromatic, just transfer this one carbon with nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, it becomes heterocyclic. So what is the definition of heterocyclic? How you will write in your exams? So heterocyclic compound are organic compound that contain a ring structure containing atom in addition to carbon, such as sulfur, oxygen or nitrogen as the heteroatom. The ring may be aromatic or non-aromatic. What is the significance of heterocyclic compound? Why we are studying heterocyclic compound? So significance is that 2/3 of all organic compounds are aromatic heterocycles. Most pharmaceuticals are heterocycles. So you see here pyrrole, this is 6 pi electron systems. You see this is the resonating form, so it is stabilized by resonance. And you see the situations of lone pair of electron on nitrogens. These electrons are in p orbitals and it is delocalized. So this is cyclic system, this is planar system, coplanar, follow the Haeckel's rules. So this is aromatic. Now you see furan is aromatic. Look at the resonating structure. You show the resonating structure. It is cyclic systems. You see these electrons are in p orbital. This is the nitrogen pyrrole case. In case of oxygen, there is the 2 electrons are in and 2 are in each other perpendicular to each other. So there is a difference between pyrrole and furans. Furan, oxygen have 2 lone pair of electrons, so both electrons will not take part in the conjugations, only one. You see, and this is the perpendicular. Understand? Focus on this point, very important point. Now you see, apply Haeckel's rule to the following. Pyridine, it is aromatic, apply Haeckel's rule. Pyrrole, furan, thiophene, all are 6 electron system. Naphthalene, quinoline, 1H indole. Now monocyclic one ring structure. This is the classification. If you have the 3-member heterocycle compound, you see 3-member, 1 heteroatom, 1 heteroatom, 1 heteroatom. 4-member heterocyclic compound, you see oxygen, sulfur, NH. 5-member heterocyclic compound, you see 1 heteroatom, 1 heteroatom, NH, 1 heteroatom. You see 5-member aromatic. 6-member heterocyclic compound, you see 1 heteroatom, 1 heteroatom, 1 heteroatom, 1 heteroatom, 1 heteroatom, 1 heteroatom. So there is a bicyclic system also, 2 rings fused with each other. This ring fused with each other. This is a, you see heteroatom, but it is attached with the benzene. Then it becomes the quinoline, and quinoline is a heterocyclic compound. You see 1, 2 isoquinoline, it fused together. So here is 1 position nitrogen, here 2 position nitrogen. So polycyclic, you see this is the polycyclic, acridine, carbazoles, etc. Now you see classification according to number of heteroatoms in a ring. Here 1 heteroatoms, here 2 heteroatoms, here 3 heteroatoms. Have you seen? 1, 2 heteroatom and 3 heteroatom. Its name is pyridine, pyrimidines and 1,3,5 triazines. Here also you see 2 heteroatom, 2 heteroatom, 2 heteroatom. Here 1, 2 position, here 1, 3 position, here 1, 4 positions. So classification according to position of heteroatom to each other. You see, now there is a different type of heteroatom, nitrogen and oxygen. we are seeing oxazole 1,3 oxazole 1,3 position, isoxazole 1,2 oxazole. You see, two same heteroatom, imidazoles 1,3 diazoles and pyrazoles 1,2 diazole. So positions of heteroatom. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, share it, and thanks for watching.